Slap Out Show 2.0. I'm Kana.
And I'm Reagan. Today we'll be doing 4 segments: All Access, Cooking with Coach, Extra Eats, and Mascot Matchup.
For our first segment, we'll be doing Cooking with Coach.
We have 3 contestants: Coach Tubbs, Coach Claybrook, and Coach Fettner.
We're going to see who can cook up the best chicken and waffles for today.
Let's get it.
Welcome to the Slap Out Show. I'm Chef Bo Myers. We're going to do cooking with coaches today. Today we got Coach Tubbs right here. What's up? We got Coach Claybrook right over there.
How big?
And we got Coach Fettner right there in the middle. And today we're going to be doing chicken and waffles. Okay, we're going to do different recipes on chicken and waffles. These guys are kind of competing here for a contest to see who's going to make the best chicken and waffles. Okay, it's a great combination. It's really hard to screw this up, but let's see who does it. Remember, guys, when we're walking through the kitchen with a knife, we walk by, we say shark coming by.
You say what?
Shark coming by. Hot coming by. Shark, not shark.
Shark.
You're not carrying a shark.
Shark.
You're carrying a
Shark
by.
pup with a P, man.
Shark. Hey, shark. Okay, sorry.
You gotta do the hand. Shark. Shark. Better again. This is gonna take time.
I can do that.
So take your chicken out. Don't put it on that cutting board though.
No. Where do I put my chicken?
I'll take your cutting board. You wanna get a shot of this, man? This is what Flavor did. We tell his mom I used to clean up
I need to take
after
that
us.
back over here and find some more ingredients. Let's go. Get out of the way. I got some sticky chicken. It's gonna be good. Yeah, I need some. I'm sure.
I bet they don't wash one dish.
I'm the sous chef. Red got the best chicken. Blue got the best waffle. I like the red ones.
I like the red one better.
Put it for blue.
So I voted for gold because Coach Fett. And
Definitely red. I don't know. It was just red was super good.
Out of the 3, red.
I liked red.
Yeah.
Red was actually seasoned, and it was really good.
Well, you know, it's never a bad day to be a champion. I had 2 very good competitors in Coach Fettner and Coach Tubbs, but I knew with the methods I had prepared and the practice I had taken in, the work I had put in, that I had a strong chance to be a champion. So it feels good to see your hard work pay off. I don't think I lost. I think it was rigged. I was very disappointed. I thought I should have won. I thought my chicken was very good. I don't think my waffles were very good, but my chicken was very good. But it is what it is.
As you can see, I have a trash can in my hand, so it's kind of feels a little bit like garbage.
That was crazy.
It was a heated competition.
Yeah, it had me sweating even from the stands.
Next up, we have our beloved mascot Bootsy and her day at school.
So let's go ahead and embark our way into it.
Okay. But you can also set it like this, and how would I figure out what N is once I get to that point?
Okay, what makes something a fungus? Okay, grow on something, eat away some decaying matter. We're getting there. All right, what else?
brain. The brain's going to send efferent nerve information down to your muscles to tell it to move. Make sense? Okay, so it's not just muscles, it's also like glands and organs and all that fun stuff.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright,
We don't like it.
Alright, so this somewhere, you know, where we
It seems like Brutsy learned a lot at school today.
Our next segment is Extra Eats.
We have 6 different students going to some local restaurants and trying some foods.
Let's go ahead and see what they got.
Hi, I'm Emily Matthews. And I'm Isabella Bryant. We're here at Sheila's Pizza in Slappa, Alabama. And we're going to show you our favorite foods. We're eating our pepperoni pizza, which is our favorite pizza. And we're drinking sweet tea, which is our favorite drink from here. And it's 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, I'm Bert Perkins, and I'm at Anna's Place, right across from Holtville High School. You also might know me from my channel, Mini Moaz. Make sure to go subscribe there, and we're going to be checking out their foods. The grilled cheese and fries.
Okay.
Yeah. This is one of the best grilled cheese I've ever had. And the fries. Hot, not too hot.
My name is Clayton Williams, and we're here at Coach's Corner in Wetumpka, Alabama. This here is the Mighty Fine Burger, and it's very delicious.
Hey, my name is Sarah, and we are at Joe Mama's in Millbrook, and today I'm going to order my favorite food from here. Can I get a cheeseburger with no tomatoes and half fries and half onions, please?
Hi, I'm Bella, and we're here at Hogwarts Barbecue in Wetumpka, Alabama, and I'm going to be ordering my favorite food at my favorite place. So come on in.
Can I have the large barbecue plate with mashed potatoes and gravy and fries?
Alright.
This is definitely some of the best barbecue I've ever had.
That food sure did look good.
It did. I'm gonna go grab a bite after we're finished filming.
Me too. Make sure you guys go out and check out those restaurants.
For our All Access segment, we're going to show you where everyone is on Friday night.
We filmed our last home game of the season here at Boykin Chapman Field, and the theme was Purge. Everyone went crazy for it.
Stay tuned to figure out what happened on that night.
1, 2, 3, go!
As you can see, our student section is always supporting our dogs on Friday night. That was an intense game that had me on the edge of my seat the whole time through.
Me too. Make sure you like, comment, and share our show with all of your friends and family.
Thank you for watching the Slap Out Show 2.0.